Here today to show you my bag and what's in it in 2022. Stay true. And I love bags. Bags come to my wardrobe and you'll see different types of bag. I've always been a bag girl since I was a kid. I got it from my mama, so thank you. And I've enjoyed having bags all the time, right? And I purchased this bag 3 years ago. It's still looking so beautiful to this day, and I really want to introduce it to you guys and learn maybe a little bit about me or what I carry inside my bag. What type of bag do you think I will hold? The girl holds a cool bag, a fabulous bag, Gucci, or is it Prada? Well, it's a black bag. It is my everyday bag. Yeah, it is real cut GEIGER. I love it. Look at it. So, you should never fill a bag up. It's never as pretty as it being slim and tucked together. So I recommend to never fill your bag up. However, I do, and not in this case because I would lose everything, but I will show you what this bag holds and what I have inside of it. So shall we go? Bye. It has my stuff. It is full. What do I carry on a daily basis? This is an honest review into my bag, and judge me. So first thing I carry is this lip glow, Coral 004, and I carry this. If I want to have no makeup, something on my face, this will be it. Do I love it? It's good. It does what it does, you know. So, therefore I love it. Okay, so I have a pen. A woman must carry a pen. It is from Muji. Muji is one of my favorites. Well, yeah. I love Japanese pens. Always have since I was a kid. I love this bag so much. It is intact. This is why it's my everyday bag. Sorry, I shouldn't be treating bags like that. I'm sorry, this is so disgusting, but it is something I do use, and it's a bit high vitamin C spray. I'll show you some articles down in the description about this because, oh my god, this is worth it. But it's expensive, but it is worth it. Sometimes price doesn't matter if the product works. And this gets like, from my experience, this is very effective. Very effective to. Okay, another pen. This is my notebook. Black, sleek. It's so beautiful. I really do love Muji stuff. Like, so what do you write, girl? I write words I don't know. My last video, I wrote I really wanted to make sure. Quite personal, but get yourself a notebook. I recommend Muji, okay? I sneeze a lot, right? Or I've been sneezing recently a lot. So I've invested in bamboo pocket tissue. It's hard on your nose, so I love a packet tissue. Like, people carry packet tissues and then they give you one. Don't you automatically feel like, wow, you're my best friend? And that's how I feel when someone gives me a tissue from their pocket. So I want to be that person that does it for you. So. starting to feel like COVID. It's starting to feel like COVID season. And I have hand wipes. Okay, this is weird, but I actually genuinely do carry this around. Okay, I'll show you. It is nail arts. I carry nail gems all the time around me because I always feel like if I see a nail place, I want to get my nails done. We have my purse. I have my Pershing Westwood purse. Every time I take this out, everyone's like, oh, I love your purse. I'm like, boys, girls, young or old, love it. I'm like, this is so funny. And some money. But yeah, it matches the bag really well. And I got it the same day, so hence it matches well. And it was, honestly, sometimes if you don't shop a lot and you see something you like, I would recommend you to get it because like I was like doubting these. Okay, remember I don't even like holographic stuff, but this was so beautiful, how can I say no? This was so beautiful, how can I say no? Put it together. I didn't think it could be my style, holographic, but it is now. And look, like most people know me because of this. So I recommend, like, don't be shy. Go outside your box in fashion and strut it. Make it yours, you know. What else do I keep in this bag? Ooh. I'm wearing this lip shade, NYX, hello. Stockholm. Okay. I don't think this is supposed to be in my bag, but it is here. These are sugar. I just like the packaging. I don't eat sugar, but you never know who does. And I believe sugar can stay intact for a long time. That's why I keep it in the bag. I just think it's so cool. Like, isn't that the coolest? And I took it from some shop or something. I was like, I don't even eat sugar, but like, I want it. Okay, sometimes I carry a nail fiber. That's why it's not in the bag, because it's a sometime thing. And you on. I got this many years ago. Like a weapon. I love gloves. Like, it keeps me warm. But it's sunny today. But sometimes I wear it because I don't dress for the weather. The weather dress for me. And I just wear whatever. And I just walk around with these gloves. These gloves all the time. So they are amazing. Okay, let me show you my coat. Let's see what I would wear this with a coat. It is sunny today. It is amazing today, but it's not usually sunny all the time. So in England, so yeah, I would wear it like this. I would wear this outfit like this. I've never worn the hat with this. It died. Okay, when I'm in England, in the cold, it's sunny, but this is how I wear it, and it's like it keeps the coat intact. That's why I like it. And you should always have your purse in front because someone might steal it. You know. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys so much, and thank you for staying. And I hope we shared some happiness together, and have a great day because you guys deserve it.